Next from Church at the Park, DJ Vincent.
Thank you, Ryan. And it's encouraging to be amongst some great partners tonight and to see so many people looking to engage and learn more. Church at the Park has been doing this work the past 15 years, a majority of the time doing outreach and connecting people to other agencies and services. We've had the honor of working for 7 years on warming, like Matt talked about, with Community Action Agency. And just since 2001, we have been supporting folks through these shelter village efforts. Our desire is to create a banquet of love and acceptance for all neighbors. And so that's one of the reasons we're excited to be invited to partner in rural Polk County, because we see that all neighbors do want to see communities that thrive, and there are so many partnerships available to connect people to. The sheltering efforts that we provide, we call it our 3 S's. First of all, we spend a lot of time thinking about safety. Safety for the guest, safety for staff and partners, and the neighborhood. And so to create that safety, we have 24/7 staffing, because we think, if the pathway to health and housing requires relationship, we need those healthy relationships present at all times. We provide 1 meal a day because most of our guests, especially families, kids are getting connected to resources at school. Parents are often working. And so really that 1 meal a day helps them keep the rest of their benefits intact and really on the right track. And then we do require those who stay with us to engage in case management. We also have peers on site who can go shoulder to shoulder with those folks to kind of start appointments and fill out paperwork and think about job applications. We've been honored in our 3 sites in Salem to have medical and behavioral health services on site and officing 2 days a week to make sure when people come to us, sometimes they're feeling isolated and they don't have the team of support around them to thrive. And our goal in their stay with us, however short it might be, is to increase that team, make sure they have a primary care doctor, make sure if they need any kind of counseling that they've got that set up when they move on to their next site. So again, in the area of safety, we have DPSST licensed safety team members who also practice our values of nonviolent communication and de-escalation in each situation. So if you go to the next slide, you'll kind of see what these housing units look like. Sometimes folks think that we're talking about tents, but really we're talking about dormitories on wheels with these 40-foot trailers that have either 2 rooms for families or 4 rooms for individuals. And each of these trailers also have a bathroom shower attached. And we build decks off of those. And it has really been well received by those guests, kind of restoring their sense of dignity, welcoming them into a community of folks who are rooting for them to make those positive next steps. And so when we think about a site, again, it needs to be safe. It needs to have just a lot of support around sanitation and those basic services. And then it's supported to next steps, connecting people to work and housing. So at the sites that we propose, we put in laundry facilities, and that ends up being this huge space of where folks were just kind of moving through clothing closets. Now they can just maintain the clothes that really work for them and keep kids really connected to school, feeling like they have that dignity of clean clothes and a shower each day. So those are some of the basic services that we're able to provide. And through that, then with partnerships in the community, like was mentioned with Rapid Rehousing, we're able to, see those families and individuals really reconnected in the community and thriving again. So thank you so much.